Good morning.
Good morning.
We're on our way to take our rig for its annual inspection. We arrived at Great American RV where we checked in with our service writer Tracy, who recommended Sweet Southern Comfort Cafe for breakfast. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
All right, let's go. This is a cute little town. This is a cute place.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Take a look.
That's one of the places we've been visiting.
Mm-hmm. Our waitress was extremely nice and provided great service.
So
I recommend the blue cheesesteak bowl. We don't have the super thick chunky ribs that you may see at other restaurants. Ours here are a little bit more creamy. You can do cheese and then like. We do also have potatoes as well. They're just little cute fried potatoes and peppers or onions in them. They're really good.
so it's grits or potatoes? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try the grits. Mm-hmm.
After we ate breakfast, we walked across the street to the Walton County Heritage Museum, but they were closed at the time. We then took a walk around the lake of DeFuniak Springs, where we enjoyed the natural beauty of the lake and its small wildlife animals.
Look at him. He pumping like a mom. He pumping. Where you going so fast, Bubba? Now the mother, see how the mother ones, they ain't got no ripple. He pumping. He trying to get there.
Where you trying to go?
It's lunchtime.
What'd you say? They what?
There's another turtle right there. He getting it. That mother pumping. He pumping them legs hard. He trying to get somewhere. He trying to get somewhere because he going a little fast. He breaking the speed limit, Bubba.
I know. name was Bubba.
Yeah, that's Bubba right there. That's Bubba.
Oh, Lord. Let's see if I can find him.
Look at the swans all together.
Do you guys remember this water fountain back when you were growing up?
Yeah, everybody had them, especially at the school. But we used to drink straight out the water hose when we was outside playing. Let that water run about 10, 15 seconds to get it good and cold, and just can't keep going in and out the house. Mama gonna tell you, boy, stop going in and out my house. You either stay in or you stay out. You keep going in, they're gonna make you stay in. See, these kids vitamin D deficient because they don't get no sunlight. We drank that water straight out the hose and keep playing outside.
Well, in today's time,
Can't drink it straight out the hose. Can't trust it. Can't trust it. Can't trust it. That right there, man. I'd rather drink that right there. I'd rather jump out there with the ducks. With Shucky. Come here, Shucky. Can I get a drink of your water? Okay. Quack. Quack. Not that. Let me get some Voss. Some Dasani.
oh my gosh.
Let me get a glass of Voss water, please. Kids, something else.
Our next location to visit while waiting to pick up our RV was Ponce Springs State Park. Isn't this so cool, you guys? This is really cool. We are at Ponce DeFuniak Springs. This is beautiful. We should put our feet in. I know. It's time to unleash the Kraken. It's cold.
It's refreshing.
I don't know. What did it say? 58 degrees?
That's what the sign.
Oh. Oh, we definitely have to come back when it's warmer.
Yeah.
When it's warmer, yeah. I'm gonna put my feet in too.
I'm 56. You look it too.
Thank you.
A young fella.
Oh, you filming me?
Yes.
Turn it around the other way. That's your wife over there.
I'm finna get her just as soon as I finish with you.
He not recording. I know.
Yes, I am.
Are you?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm not jumping in. I'm just...
Well, put your feet in. Let's see. I want to get your reaction. Hold on, baby.
I'm going to just watch my reaction.
Okay. Well, when you pull them feet out, I still get it.
What would I hold my nose?
I don't think that's gonna help. Ah, there it is.
And you call this refreshing?
Yeah, it's the fountain of youth.
Look this way, huh?
I don't. You wouldn't take it. I'm 107.
Come on.
Wait.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Here she goes.
Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
This water, you would feel no doubt about it. Have to do with the water as you get out and getting in.
You got that right.
Yeah. Oh, this is pretty nice though.
Do you want me to take your picture?
I love it.
No, thank you.
I I love it though. This is nice.
It's definitely not Hot Springs, Arkansas. I tell you that. We was there last year. Yeah.
Where'd y'all stay?
In RV. Yeah.
No, we stay at Catherine's Landing.
Okay, there's a place called Campground on the Gorge. And it's first come, first served places.
It's just really nice out here. Peaceful. This is what we're talking about, seeing something different, doing something different. These kids out here, these people are enjoying this water. It's a little cool, but hey, they can have it. Too cold for my blood. I'm a Florida boy.
What'd you say?
They got alligators. For your safety. Walk along the clear spring water from these shaded miles straight. Like the trees, a 30-minute walk. This trail is located for the careful roots and mud.
If anyone knows David. Something live in there. Good. It's really peaceful back here. Oh goodness.
So we're picking up our unit after getting the third AC put in, and this is our third time down here for the yearly service. But we did decide to get this unit put in, and Tracy has been the best.
Yes,
no
she
problems,
has.
no hiccups, and everything. Got the unit back faster than we expected because we didn't even plan any other trips because we didn't know how long this was going to take. But she has been totally awesome.
And very good communication.
Very good.
Appreciate that.
Yes.
Very good communication.
Compared to what we had dealt with, it's really been pleasant.
Thank you.
And I just want to say thank you.
Appreciate that.
Mhm.
Y'all come see us.
All right. Thank you so
They're the
much.
best. Great American RV. Levi and Tracy. Tracy had real good communication. They was texting me and everything, you know.
Yeah.
That other chick, it was a much more pleasant experience this time because that other chick, she wasn't with it. I'm glad she was gone. Did you bring your unit down here and you expecting to know when you're gonna get it back?
Right.
Playing all of those games? No.
Oh, we really doing this?
Yes, we really are.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I mean, but at the end of the day, the work from the last time did get done. It took longer than we expected, but it still got done. It wasn't very satisfactory for us, the communication part. So Tracy, we really appreciate you and the line of communication and everything that you provided. So
yeah, it was excellent.
Very great personality, great American. I mean, we've been pleased since we purchased, and it's been 3 years. So we've been pleased with the service that we've gotten, and this was the best by far.
Yes, it was.
Yes. So thanks, Tracy. I have a question. Okay. All right. My question is, what do you like most about travel days in the RV?
Oh man, I can tell you what I like most is getting the right words. But I remember last year when we was down in D-Land, Florida, and I hooked the truck to the camper, and hit the highway and just on the open road, I was at peace. I don't know, I like driving, but I was at peace, just feeling that weight back there, even though we was coming home, but just at peace, not in no hustle and bustle of the city, just relaxed, calm, watching the road, thinking about this, thinking about that, just wasn't in a hurry. To you is, now that we're RVers, but years ago when I told you I wanted to get a camper, and you wasn't sure about it. What made you change your mind, and what do you love about it so much?
Okay. So when you first brought the idea up, I just pictured being out, like, I don't know, like in tents or in the woods with nothing to do. And so I wasn't interested really at that time. But then when COVID hit, I started watching a lot of RVers and the rigs that they were that they had, and I just thought, oh wow, is that what RV life looks like? And so that's when I got more interested in the RV lifestyle, and that's when I was able to fully appreciate the idea. And that's what really kind of just brought me about to RVing. Was the RV shows, honestly, the RV shows, yeah. And I love RVing because, like you were saying about the hustle and bustle, you know, you don't have to worry about that when you're RVing. You know, you take your home with you, and I like that because, you know, we have the comforts of your own home. So I really enjoy that part of RV life, and I love to sightsee, which we both love to, you know, just travel and go.
Now, usually we do so much sightseeing, I'm wore out from the vacation. I need a day to recuperate, so the drive time home is my recuperation.
Right.
And then I can get back to work, get back to the hustle and bustle, and do it again in another month or two.
Right.
Yeah, I'm usually tired from all the ripping and running because
we do a lot.
Yeah, we
when we go.
I like to go to different places and see different things. But yeah, I'm wore out after the vacation. Work hard, play hard.
Right. Definitely. Hey you guys, so we got the RV back in the space, the spot it belongs to, and now we are back to work.
It's what they call part-time RVing. Trying to get it. Build muscle, as my Uncle Iceman said.
Bye you guys.